How to reset an iPhone 11. If you have been using the iPhone 11 and wondering on how to reset the phone, don't worry, in this video I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, find the settings app on your home screen. Just like this, then open it. After opening it, you will find something like this. Now scroll down and here you can find general option right here. Now select it. After opening it, you will find something like this on the general section. Now keep on scrolling down, just like this. And here you can find transfer or reset iPhone, just right here. Now select it. Then here you can find reset, just right here. Now tap onto this button. And after that you can find reset all settings, network settings, and these kinds of option. Now simply choose one of these, or you can simply choose the all settings right here, and after that your phone will be reset. And that's it. This is how you can reset an iPhone 11. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.